This is my follow-up video to the first time that I made one, and I uploaded it without the alarm sound, and I have no idea why it was so long ago, and maybe I meant to like upload another one with the sound, but I have the world's worst ADD, so I pretty much forgot, and now you're getting it 5 or 6 years or a bunch of years later. Let's see what this does. Also, oh, there it is. So that was like a full minute of alarm, and for some reason I remember it being a lot louder. So maybe the speaker is broken or blown. I'm not sure. Sorry. Again, I forgot like a million years ago. However, that's what it sounds like now, and maybe yours sounds like that too, or maybe you want to buy it and test it out, which really doesn't make sense, but whatever. Sorry, and you got it, and that's all, folks.